I know everything there is to know about you. You know nothing about me. All you need to know about me is that I'm giving you a choice. Either I finish you now, or I let you live. And if I let you live, your life is mine.
Coming down the aisle, it's the freestyle chant. Squad deeper than the camp. Your brain, I stamp. Like my mail, I'm ringing on your doorbell. Leaving bloody trails till your boys in hell. The tag team champions, I got the gold belt. I'm making niggas melt. Now tell me how that felt. Windows shattered, body slamming niggas through cars. Bloody superstars, watch them go raw. Hit niggas with crowbars. Cops come and investigate the body. Hide the coke, gang the beepers. I had your head stashed in the speaker. Gold raw, I put you in the finger four. Head button niggas with a fucking iron score. Tagging this ball, whip his ass to the wall. Left him dead, power slammed him on the spike bed. A deadly game of blood sport is the case. I snap your neck and put my snake on your fucking face. And when he swallow you, I put you in the duffel bag. And go and hustle with my coke in the ruffle bag. Ill dead bodies stinking up the block like skunks. Power drive you niggas into a table like Terry Funk. Load the pumps, it's time to attack. Left him flat on his back, smack him with a cactus like Jack. Cause water ain't thicker than mud. I bust a slug in your mug, write the dub with your blood. I'm sticking niggas to fuck up in UPS trucks, Negroes ran. Popping up your car like the repo man. Hey yo, I bought an O off this nigga, it was bullshit. Now it's time to go to war with a full clip. Oh shit, it's time to start some shit, and we gon' finish it. You're fucking with a menace, bitch. We can't get caught, we gotta be sharp like swords. Cause I ain't tryna do no life up in greatest forward. I'm aiming for your score with the 4-4. The barrel was the last thing that he saw. I seen this little son in the hall. Grabbed him, kidnapped him. Now we chillin' with me and Cold Raw. Niggas collapse, catching heart attacks. I break the back to write a rap. Stack the Mac, jetting out the back. I put your fucking brain like a bag of cash. Take your brain to school in my backpack. I want my pockets fat like a fat rat. The street warrior, the street warrior. Yeah, I need this motherfucking money and make me mad thinking about it. So I'ma write a murder rhyme about it. Punk nigga, I ain't no fucking joke. Gat to your fucking throat, cause I got clientele without no coke. You get your jaw broke and I ball poke, cause it ain't no hope. You get fucked like faggot niggas dropping soap. I make rappers walk the plank with the long shank. Stick up a bank, now my pocket's big like Tom Hanks. Little rascal, breaking niggas down. Crack the ground, raise more hell than the house. You're going down like a fucking burning plane. I burn your brain with a hot fire chain. Retire, clothesline you with some barbed wire. Drain you so deep a scuba diver couldn't find ya. I snap your neck and you be singing what's behind ya. North Philly, bury bodies in North Carolina. Smoke a marijuana, feed your ass to my anacondas. Then feed the anacondas to the piranhas. No kinda trace, climbing up your fucking face. In this whack race, I'm coming in first place. I'm going in them, poisonous like venom. Now split them, fuck them up, it's time to pin them. Put them in the Fort Nelson, rip his arms off. Fuck them with the balls, 1, 2, 3, nigga, you lost. MCs are good balls, knocking niggas off. You get tossed, going in your teeth like dental flaws. The big balls, clearing up your chest like hard.